Okavango Gin was inspired by the pristine wilderness of the Okavango Delta. Our distillery overlooks the Tsutubega floodplains in Botswana, on the outskirts of the Okavango Delta, a World Heritage Site where sand and papyrus filtered waters meet forests of mopani trees. Hidden within the mopani seed pod is the secret to our award-winning gin, the Sentinel. Ingredients are soaked in alcohol overnight to slowly extract each delicate flavor. Organically refined water from the Okavango Delta is then added to our traditional copper pot still before distillation begins. The gin concentrate is then added to a homogenizing tank where flavor is left to blend and mature over time. Our locally sourced ingredients imbue the gin with their unique characteristics, all adding to the identity of our contemporary gin. Earthy, pure, dry with citrus and juniper forward notes. When the gin has been mixed down to 43%, it is then ready for bottling. Each label, cork, and seal carefully applied by hand. Our head distiller finally adds a handwritten bottle and batch number to each one. The gin is boxed and loaded for distribution, traveling by road through the Okavango Delta from which it originated. A gin born out of a love for the wilderness, made quietly in nature.